Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to begin the another one story, that is Footprints Without Feet. Footprints Without Feet. It is a science fiction where H.G. Wells talks about the scientist Griffin. Okay, there is a main character Griffin, a scientist Griffin. Okay, so here you will find that the scientist Griffin had discovered some liquid or medicine, we can say, by which he became or he made himself invisible. Okay, and here you will find that Mr. Griffin was a lawless person. He misused his discovery, and how he did it we will see. But first of all, look at the characters of the story Footprints Without Feet. Okay, there are some characters. The first one is Mr. Griffin. Okay, characters. Before dealing with the story, first of all we will see the characters. Okay, the first one is Mr. Griffin. Okay, Mr. Griffin is the scientist, or is a scientist. Okay, is a scientist who discovered a medicine. Okay, discovered a medicine. Okay, which made him invisible. Okay, which made him invisible. Okay, so here he is scientist. He discovered a medicine which made him invisible. Besides, you will find that this man is a lawless. Okay, a lawless person. Mr. Griffin is a lawless person. Okay, do write this. Why? Because character sketch can be asked in the examination for 5 marks. So such short sentences would help you to sketch his character or to write about the character sketch of Mr. Griffin. Okay, so he was a scientist, discovered a medicine which made him invisible. Then he was a lawless person. Okay, besides, you can say he was a thief also, cheater you can say, or thief. Okay, cheater or thief you can say here. Why? Because he robbed the neighbors where he had gone, means a place where he had gone to spend some days, and there he robbed the neighbors. Even he tried to rob the Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Okay, so all these things, he was thief, he was cheater, lawless person, discovered a medicine, and he was scientist. Okay, means actually he misused the medicine. So, and at last when he was caught by the constable, and the name of that constable is Jaffer. Okay, when he was caught by the Jaffer, with the help of his medicine, yes, he took off his all clothes and became invisible, and again escape. Okay, escape from there. So here we are going to see how he misused the medicine, the discovery he discovered. Okay, जो डिस्कवरी उसने की थी, उस डिस्कवरी का कैसे वो मिसयूज करता है, वो हमें इस स्टोरी में देखना है. फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट. Okay, the title which is given there, it is absolutely correct. Yes, why? Because there were footprints of the Mr. Griffin on the paths or on the floor, but there were no feet. Why? Because he was invisible. And that's why there were no feet, but footprints were there. And that's why the title is given, Footprints Without Feet. Yes, so the title is aptly correct, suitable to this story. And here this is the main character, Mr. Griffin, about whom the whole story revolves. Okay, revolves around. Okay, then the next character is the landlord. Okay, minor character is that one. Okay, landlord of Griffin. Okay, landlord of Griffin. So landlord of Griffin means where he was living on rent, previously. Okay, formerly we can say, before discovering the medicine, he was living in the house of this man on rent. But as he was lawless person, the landlord tried to eject him, tried to pick him out from his house, and in that revenge, Griffin burnt his house on fire. Yes, so this way, in revenge, as I told you, Griffin was not a good person. He was lawless person. He misused the discovery. So here he burnt the house of that landlord. Okay, just little bit information is there about this former landlord of Griffin. Then again another character is there, Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Hall are the landlords, or again another landlords we can say, or the owner of the hotel or lodge where Griffin was staying. Okay, Griffin was staying, जहाँ Griffin रुक रहा था उस होटल का ये मालक है, owner of the hotel, owner of the lodge where Mr. Griffin was staying in the countryside. Okay, countryside में चले जाता है to live in peace. Okay, to live in peace, he went to a countryside, and there was a lodge, and Mr. and Mrs. Hall were the owner of the lodge. Okay, so look at there, what is information about them is given. So as I told you, Mr. and Mrs. Yes, they were the owner of, okay, owner of an inn, local inn we can say. Okay, a local inn in Epping. Okay, Epping, it is the name of village. Okay, village of Epping we can say. एक Epping नाम का या फिर Epping नाम का एक village है, just at some distance from London. Okay, London से कुछ distance पे. So there was an inn. Okay, and the owner of the inn was, okay, Mr. Hall. Okay, Mr. Hall, or we can say Mr. and Mrs. Hall, both were the owners of that local inn of the village Epping. Okay, then what happened there? They were curious also. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were curious to know about Mr. Griffin. Why? Because he was something strange to them. Okay, कुछ प्रकार से strange व्यक्ति था, and that's why they were trying to know about him more. Okay, so this way here Mr. and Mrs. Hall at last they understood that this man is not good. He is cheater, thief. Yes, so they called the police. Okay, so then let's see what happens. Then again there is another character, Mr. Jaffer. Okay, Mr. Jaffer is there. He is a constable. Okay, constable, a police we can say, police constable, Mr. Jaffer. So Mr. Jaffer came there on the call of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Mr. और Mrs. Hall ने जैसे उनको बुलाया तो there Mr. Jaffer came. Okay, on the request of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. He caught hold of the scientist Griffin, but somehow Griffin succeeded. Yes, he became succeeded to save him by taking off all his clothes. Yes, and at last he escaped from there. So this way, these are the characters. Mr. Griffin, then old landlord of Griffin, then Mr. and Mrs. Hall, the owner of the inn, and then Mr. Jaffer. Mr. Jaffer, the police constable. Okay, these are the characters here in the story. Now let's see the plot. Okay, plot of the story. So here you will find that in the plot there is a scientist, a lawless person, Mr. Griffin, who discovered a medicine which made him invisible. After getting this discovery, he he misused the discovery. He became invisible himself, and then he burned down the house of his old landlord, and then went to the city in the street, and there to save himself, or to save himself from the chilly night, he slipped into the shop. He put on the warm clothes, and all this he did secretly. Okay, means without paying any money, by cheating. Okay, doing cheating, he did all those. Then in the morning, when the the servants of that shop came, he was caught there, but taking off all the clothes, he again escaped from there. Then at last he grabbed some money from a shop and went to the village of Iping, and there he stayed in the inn of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. There again he did same thing, robbed until he was having money. He remained there, lived luxurious life. No one was allowed to enter in his room, which made Mr. and Mrs. Hall curious. Okay, even he shouted on the servants if they entered in his room without knocking or without permission. So this way the deeds or the behavior of Mr. Griffin made the owner of the inn curious to know about him more. Besides, the time when he went to this village was not casual time, or the normal time. That day actually, or at that time, no people would go there, but he went to that odd season to that village. That was again another reason which made Mr. Hall and Mrs. Hall, Mr. and Mrs. Hall curious. So these were the two reasons which made them curious to know about him. Okay, so they always tried to know about him more. But one day what happened? When they went upstairs, the door was opened of his room. They went inside, and there they saw no one was there. Yes, but they heard the sniffing sound, and then they understood someone is there, but he was not there. And then at last they understood that he is invisible or something, and then they called the police. Mr. Jaffer came there. He caught his hold. Why? Because that time he had on dresses. He had dresses on him, and that's why he was visible. But at last what happened? To escape from there, he removed off all his clothes. He took off all his clothes and then became invisible and escaped. So this is the story of the story Footprints Without Feet. So this story is of Mr. Griffin, the scientist, the lawless person. Okay, so now we will see what is there in the story line by line. Okay, so open the book and let's see now what is there. Footprints Without Feet. So look at in the introductory part what is given. Can a man become invisible? Yes, as I told you, this is a science fiction. Here the writer H.G. Wells talks about science, discovery. Yes, how to be invisible. Okay, so look at there. Here he asked this question to us. Can a man become invisible? अगर आज की डेट में अगर पूछा जाए तो आई थिंक इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, आज की डेट में हम देखा जाए तो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाया कि हम इनविजिबल बन पाए. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट who discovers how to make himself invisible. And this story, as I told you, this is a story of Mr. Griffin. Okay, this is story of Mr. Griffin, a scientist who discovered how to make himself invisible. And does he use or misuse his discovery? We have to find. ओके हमें देखना है कि वो उसका यूज सही तरीके से करता है या मिस यूज करता है. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, एज आई नरेटेड यू द स्टोरी और एज आई गिवन यू इंट्रोडक्शन, द ब्रीफ idea about the story, we can say that yes, he misused the discovery. Okay, but how? Let's see कैसे वो misuse करता है. The two boys started in surprise at the phrase muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. Okay, look at there. The two boys started in a surprise at phrase muddy imprints. So look at there, the two boys started in surprise. Look at there, what happened. The beginning is given that there are footprints of the scientist Griffin on the floor, but there was no one, वहाँ कोई नहीं था, but the phrase footprints were there on the floor. And what happened there? Two boys were there playing, and these two boys who were playing there, they saw the muddy footprints on the floor, which left them in surprise, and that's why the two boys started talking about it. So look at that is given there. The two boys started talking about it in surprise at the fresh muddy foot imprints of a pair of bare feet. Means the man was Mr. Griffin had not or any what you can say chappals or sandals or shoes, nothing was there. He was bare feet, and that's why there were muddy imprints means footprints of his bare feet on the floor. And these two boys who were playing over there, they saw that these footprints on the floor, the muddy footprints on the floor, and they were in surprise. Why? Because what a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house. And they said, what a barefoot man means without any slippers or without any boots. बिना किसी स्लीपर्स के क्या आदमी क्या कर रहा है, विदाउट मीन्स barefooted man doing on the steps of house. इस घर के स्टेप्स के ऊपर ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है? In the middle of London, yes, in the middle of London, the house where the two boys were playing, that house was in the middle of London. उस लंदन के बीच में कोई घर था, उस घर के स्टेप्स के ऊपर ये कदम चल रहा था. कौन? मिस्टर ग्रिफिन, who was now invisible. जो invisible है, he would not seen by anyone, but the muddy footprints were there on the floor, on the steps of the house. And there they said, hey, where was the man? Means there was no one, but the muddy imprints were there on the stairs. लेकिन स्टेयर्स के ऊपर मडी इम्प्रिंट्स थे, लेकिन देयर वाज नो मैन. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस साइट लेफ्ट द टू बॉयज इन सरप्राइज. सो दे स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. एंड एज दे गेज्ड, और फिर जैसे वो गौर से और देखने लगे, अ रिमार्केबल साइट मेट देयर आईज. एक रिमार्केबल साइट उनकी आंखों के सामने आया. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? अ फ्रेश फुटमार्क appeared from nowhere. A fresh means Mr. Griffin was there, the invisible man was there, and his fresh footmarks appeared on the floor, on the stair, in front of the boys. The fresh footmarks appeared there, but there was no one. From nowhere, वहां लेकिन कोई भी आदमी मौजूद नहीं था, लेकिन फ्रेश फुटमार्क्स वहां उमड़ रहे थे. So as they gazed, they became surprised, and then further footprints followed one after another. The footprints followed one after another. एक के बाद एक फिर वो footprints उमड़ते जा रहे थे one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the streets. And these footmarks were descending the steps. Descending the steps means steps से नीचे उतर रहे थे, and progressing down the street. Progressing down the street means the steps were, mean these footprints were moving towards the street. रोड की तरफ वो बढ़ते जा रहे थे. The boys followed, fascinated, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. And here the two boys who were amazed to see the footprints from nowhere, they followed the footprints until the footprints became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. जब तक वो फुटप्रिंट्स फेंटर एंड फेंटर होते नहीं गए, फीके होते नहीं गए और एट लास्ट में गायब नहीं हो गए, तब तक इन दोनों बच्चों ने उस फुटप्रिंट्स को फॉलो किया. Yes, they followed the footprints, they followed the invisible man until the foot imprints became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared. So this sight made the boys surprised, or left the two boys in surprise. इस साइट ने उन दोनों बच्चों को सरप्राइज में डाल दिया था कि हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल दैट द फुटप्रिंट्स वर देयर ऑन द फ्लोर, ऑन द स्टेप्स एंड ऑन द रोड, बट नो वन वाज देयर. लेकिन वहां कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, जस्ट फुटप्रिंट्स दिखाई दे रहे थे. सो देन द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द मिस्ट्री वाज रियली सिंपल इनफ. एंड द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस मिस्ट्री, अब ये जो रहस्य था, इस रहस्य का एक्सप्लेनेशन बिल्कुल सिंपल है, बोल रहे हैं ये यहाँ पर राइटर, कि द bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent, and the explanation is simple enough. और एक्सप्लेनेशन बिल्कुल सिंपल है. तो यहाँ ये राइटर क्या कह रहे हैं कि द बॉयज, द bewildered जो पागल हो चुके, जो इन सब मतलब बच्चे हैं, पागल क्यों? बिकॉज दे वर अमेज्ड, पजल्ड. यस, पजल्ड हो चुके थे, पागल हो चुके थे कि ऐसा कैसे. पागल यानी वो मैडनेस वाला पागल नहीं, बट हियर टू फाइंड आउट what was that they were bewildered. Yes, so here these two boys were actually following the scientist who had discovered something which made the human body transparent. That means invisible. उस साइंटिस्ट का पीछा कर रहे थे जिसने एक ऐसे चीज का डिस्कवर किया था कि जिससे वो अपनी बॉडी को ट्रांसपेरेंट बना सकता था, इनविजिबल बना सकता था. Yes, so simple enough it is to say that these footprints were of a scientist. वो फुटप्रिंट्स किसके थे? एक साइंटिस्ट के थे, जिन्होंने एक मेडिसिन डिस्कवर किया था जिसके द्वारा वो अपनी बॉडी को ट्रांसपेरेंट बना चुका था. So Griffin the scientist, and the name of that scientist is Griffin. Griffin was the scientist. Okay, और उस साइंटिस्ट का नाम है Griffin. Griffin the scientist had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. So here it is said that Griffin was the scientist who carried out experiment after experiment. एक के बाद एक कई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स वो करता रहा to prove that, ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि that human body could become invisible. ह्यूमन बॉडी को भी इनविजिबल किया जा सकता है. Finally he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass. And then what happened? He swallowed rare drugs that he discovered. जो उसने बनाया था, that he made, जो उसने बनाया था, उस ड्रग्स को उसने swallow किया, पी गया. And after that what happened? His body became as transparent as the sheet of glass. एक ग्लास की शीट जैसे ट्रांसपेरेंट होती है जिसपे आर का पार दिखाई देता है, सेम वैसे ही इसकी बॉडी चेंज हो जाती है, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द रेयर ड्रग्स Okay, rare drugs that he discovered. वो रेयर ड्रग्स था जो उसने डिस्कवर किया था आफ्टर डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आफ्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हुए उन्होंने एक रेयर ड्रग बनाया था. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट व्हेन ही swallowed it, yes, when he had it, he became as transparent as a sheet of glass. एक ग्लास की शीट की तरह वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाता है. दो इट ऑल्सो रिमेन्ड एज सॉलिड एज ग्लास. ओके, और उसकी बॉडी इट विल बिकम सॉलिड. ओके, उसकी बॉडी जो है बिल्कुल सॉलिड की तरह ही रहेगी एज अ ग्लास. ओके, एज अ ग्लास, एज अ शीट ऑफ ग्लास, यू कैन से एज ग्लास. एक ग्लास की तरह उसकी बॉडी सॉलिड रहेगी बट ट्रांसपेरेंट, लेकिन ट्रांसपेरेंट रहेगी. सो दिस वे इट वॉज द डिस्कवरी ही डिस्कवर्ड. ये वो डिस्कवरी थी ग्रिफिन की जो उसने डिस्कवर किया था. ओके, देन इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल सी हाउ डिड ही यूज दिस डिस्कवरी. ओके, सो गाइज कीप वॉचिंग द वीडियोज एंड एंजॉय द क्लासेस. बाय बाय, सी यू सून.